Come experience this reimagined villa with us. The finishes are absolutely over the top, and you are going to love it. You are located in Gainey Village, right in the middle of everything. There's over 20 restaurants you can walk to, and not only are we bikeable to Old Town Scottsdale, but we are here in the middle of McCormick Ranch, Lake Marguerite. You've got McCormick Ranch Golf Course, and probably 20 other golf courses within 30 minutes. What more could you want?
We're floating above the houses, caught on like clouds on our skin, whispering to the breeze. Now it's just you and me, rising up even higher, no limit beyond your horizon, whispering to the breeze. Now it's just you and me.
You will not find a home more updated and move-in ready in all of Gainey than this one right here. Call us today for a private showing.